Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add natural lighting effect in Photoshop. Go to adjustment layer and choose color lookup. Choose night for day. Now again go to adjustment layer and choose black and white. Let's add some brightness and contrast. Create a new layer. Make sure the foreground color white. Choose the selection tool. Press Alt or Backspace to fill white the foreground color. Hold Alt or and drag to mark a copy. Select all the right angle layer white, holding the shift button and let them horizontally. To mask this layer, press Ctrl E. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now press Ctrl E. Right click and choose Distort. You finish, press enter, go to layer, select and choose overlay, revise the fill. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. When you finish, press OK. Add a layer mark, choose the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Click and drag while holding press shift button. Reduce the brush size and do the same thing here. That's it. Hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.